Welcome to a quick overview of formula management by Blend. In Blend, we think about a formula and every finished good version of that formula as a product family. Think lemonade, cans of lemonade, and a case of cans as a single product family. Our Formula Management SuiteApp streamlines item management for companies that blend, batch, mix, or compound formulas and recipes. You can define new products, manage bills of materials, and create updated revisions for each and every member of the product family from a single screen. You can add manufacturing instructions at the body level or in line with the formula components, and the arrangement of these instructions is flexible. Use pre-configured containers in NetSuite with defined fill weights to quickly set up new item records with unique product names and unique product descriptions, and be confident that the correct formulation automatically comes with the new SKU. This greatly reduces your clicks and your potential for error. Blend calculates the estimated cost of your formulation in real time as components are added, removed, or modified. These values roll all the way through the product family, including any additional packaging costs, and appear on the right side of the table of packages and multi-packs. If you need to see the impact of changing suppliers or a vendor price increase, use the manual cost override to perform a what-if analysis on the fly. This can be a useful tool for determining whether or not margins are being maintained. Another key element that Blend brings to the table is understanding the importance of units of measure. Blend allows you to enter your formula components in any mass or volume unit of measure and extends that same flexibility to all other transactions, allowing you to purchase an item by the pound, manufacture it by the liter, and sell it by the drum. Accurate weights and measures are key to maintaining compliance and eliminating inventory and shipping errors. Blend automatically stamps every item in the product family with its volume, gross weight, and net weight in metric and US units, and this information, among other information, can be found on the Blend tab of the item record. The decision to add a new cranberry lemonade product to your offering, packaged in the same manner as the original house lemonade, can be a quick and easy one. In addition to creating new product families from scratch or modifying existing product families, clicking Make a Copy will bring you to a new identical product family where we can make adjustments to the formulation as desired and add or remove containers at the packaging and multi-pack level in a matter of seconds. So, whether you're manufacturing lemonade, industrial floor cleaner, shaving cream, or anything that has a recipe, save time and clicks and simplify your item setup in NetSuite by using blendAPPS formula management tool. For more information, visit your SuiteApp store or the blendAPPS website to book your live demo with one of our solution consultants today.